Okay, so that's nicely clipped back together. All edges are good. And now it's a case of putting back the screws. Start with opposite corners. Like you're talking down a head gasket, you know what I'm talking about. Know what I'm talking about. Anyway, can you see the arrow? Go back where the arrows are. Final silver chassis screw down in this corner. That's the back plate put on. So I'm going to go around and make sure that all the screws are nice and tight. Starting with the ones closest to the hinges. Okay, that's the external black ones all tightened up. Now the 4 silver screws under the disk drive and memory cover, and they're all tightened. I have 1 screw left that will hold this cover on, and I have 4 screws to hold in the hard disk drive, which will be next. I'm going to reconnect it first, just because sometimes it can be a little easier. Right, she's home. So I'm going to say what I said already a million times, but I'm just going to put these screws in. Just going to put these screws in first, not to tighten them up. Okay, and now I'm going to go around and tighten them up. Okay, and that tucks itself underneath this little tab here. So now it's time for the RAM. That one goes that way around. Okay, now we're putting the back cover on. And we are putting in the last screw. And do I need to replace the double-sided sticky tape on these feet? No. Maybe next time. Okay, so we are done. Apart from all these wickle bits of plastic that fell off the battery, and that 1 screw that fell out of the chassis. But no more screws. So we haven't forgot anything. No more components. So nothing should be forgot. In theory, we could power this bad boy up. Let us see.